Join me as I take on the challenge of removing earwax the safe way, just like the doctors recommend. When it comes to earwax removal, it's essential to do it safely and effectively. Doctor-recommended methods are crucial to avoid damaging our ears or pushing the wax further in, making the problem worse. In this video, we'll explore the best ways to remove earwax without putting our ear health at risk. I'm sure many of us have been guilty of using cotton swabs to remove earwax, but this method is actually a big no-no. Not only can it push the wax deeper into our ears, but it can also cause damage to our ear canals and eardrums. In fact, doctors say that using cotton swabs can lead to ear infections, hearing loss, and even eardrum perforations. It's a common misconception that earwax is dirt or debris that needs to be cleaned out, but in reality, earwax is a natural barrier that protects our ears from dirt and bacteria. Another misconception is that earwax is somehow related to personal hygiene. Some people think that if they don't clean their ears regularly, they'll be seen as dirty or unhygienic. But the truth is, earwax is a natural and necessary part of our ear health. It's not something that needs to be removed or cleaned out regularly. In fact, the American Academy of Otolaryngology states that earwax is a normal and natural part of our ear health, and that it shouldn't be removed unless it's causing problems. Using ear candles is another method that's often marketed as a way to remove earwax, but this method has been widely debunked by medical professionals. Ear candles don't actually remove earwax, and they can cause serious harm to our ears, including burns and eardrum perforations. It's amazing how many people fall for these gimmicks, but the truth is, there's no quick fix or magic solution to removing earwax safely and effectively. So, what are the safe methods for removing earwax? Well, one method is to use ear drops that dissolve earwax, such as hydrogen peroxide or earwax dissolvers. These drops can help break down excess earwax and make it easier to remove. Another method is to use an ear irrigator, which is a device that shoots a gentle stream of water into the ear canal to remove earwax and debris. If you have excessive earwax or earwax impaction, it's best to see a doctor or a hearing specialist who can remove the wax safely and effectively. They'll use specialized equipment and techniques to remove the wax without causing any harm to your ears. In fact, the American Academy of Otolaryngology recommends seeing a doctor if you have excessive earwax or earwax impaction. So, what's the safest and most effective earwax removal technique recommended by doctors? It's actually a method called ear irrigation, which involves using a gentle stream of water to remove earwax and debris from the ear canal. This method is highly effective and safe, and it's recommended by doctors and hearing specialists around the world. Using ear irrigation, you can remove earwax safely and effectively without causing any harm to your ears. It's a method that's been widely studied and researched, and it's been proven to be highly effective in removing earwax and debris from the ear canal. Plus, it's a method that's easy to do at home, making it a convenient and cost-effective solution for earwax removal. In summary, removing earwax safely and effectively is crucial to maintaining good ear health. By avoiding common misconceptions and myths about earwax removal, and by using safe and effective methods recommended by doctors, we can keep our ears healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and if you've had any experiences with earwax removal, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about ear health and earwax removal, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic.